thought I'd do a little update and maybe some theory on my synthesizer here. This is what I call my Arduino PolyKeys. We have a Mega here, which feeds into a line driver buffer, and next to that, that's the MIDI input. And we come out of the line driver buffer into one of 4 oscillators. That's based on a nano driving two sets of weighted resistors, strings, into an OP amp. Next to that is the I2C bus, and back here is the new addition. This is the TV out, which you can see is right there. And right now, the only thing it can do is I can select the different waves, which I'll get to in just a second. But there'll be more to that as we go along. And up here in front, I'm working now on the ADSR circuitry. But to start with, we have the MIDI input going into the Mega, which uses the CC messages from the MIDI, and then it's going to look up the note and set the correct note table, and then it's going to set one of 4 oscillators. It also keeps up with which note is playing and which key is pressed, and it will recycle the oscillators, so it switches between the oscillators, so you're not playing one assigned oscillator. It's running at about 4 times the frequency of the output, and then that goes into the line driver buffer, which is just an AND chip, just what I had laying on the bench, and made it into a buffer. And then that goes to the Arduinos, which are running on an interrupt, and with the number of resistors and the number of interrupts, it's interrupting on change, therefore that's 3, and then you're running 8 steps on the resistors, so it calculates out to 4 times. That's how come the Mega is running 4 times the frequency. And then there's an I2C bus that comes in, and the I2C bus will change the wave shape. Right now, it's going to do more as I go along, but right now it changes the wave shapes. And alright, crazy camera, do your thing. There we go. Right now, it's running the triangle. That's the triangle wave, and then a ramp wave here, and just a plain old square wave. And then one I just called test, I really don't know what it's called. I have you can see them on the screen here. And then we'll go back to the square. And back to the ramp. And the triangle. And they have pretty good harmonics. So they got pretty good harmonics, so hopefully I can get quite a bit out of a filter on them. And this one has and that's about it for right now. As I go along, I'll post some updates. Thanks for watching.